Hey everyone, welcome to our final Lunar recap of 2024. This month, we released some amazing features to end off the year, including a brand new design to our menus and game, our biannual vault sale, and so much more. But before we get ahead of ourselves, let's jump right into our launcher updates. To start us off, we've just made installing mod packs insanely easy. Now, when you're looking to download a new mod pack, all you have to do is copy the URL from the ModWith page and paste it while you're tabbed into our launcher. This new feature even supports installing older versions of a mod pack by doing the same thing. This makes starting up a new world with your friends much easier, because now you don't have to jump through a million different installers just to all play with the same mods. Also this month, we were able to add support for custom JVM arguments when launching any version in vanilla. Just head inside of any vanilla version through our launcher and hop into the settings. Here, you'll see a brand new text box for you to input any normally supported JVM argument. This means you can truly customize how your vanilla versions launch, just like you can with a regular Minecraft launcher. We only recommend using this feature if you actually know what you're trying to change, but if that's the case, it's now finally possible. Now, moving on to our in-game updates, we added support for Minecraft 1.21.4 on the same day that it was released. So if you haven't already, you're able to jump right into the newest version of the game and check out all of the new features the game has to offer while still having all of the optimizations and mods provided by Lunar Client. Next up, we just added a plethora of features to make the Hoppity event in Skyblock much easier. By heading into the Skyblock mod, you'll now see a new option titled Hoppity's Egg Hunt. This option allows you to toggle waypoints for the eggs as they spawn during the Hoppity event, as well as the ability to have a HUD on your screen for all of your unclaimed eggs. Not only that, but you're also able to toggle the egg locator solver, which when used with the item will show you the location for your nearest unclaimed egg. Also this month, we of course released our biannual vault sale. Our vault sale features some crazy discounts, along with bringing back nearly every single cosmetic released on Lunar Client. So if you haven't been able to find something that suits your style from our most recent collections, you're able to go all the way back to when we first ever opened up our store and pick out any cosmetic that interests you. Not only that, but these discounts also stack if you happen to be a Lunar Plus subscriber, making now the best time for you to pick up some new outfits for your locker. And then, as tradition, we released our Lunar Client Wrapped for 2024. In case this is your first year using Lunar Client, Wrapped is our yearly event where we show off the hours that you guys have been putting into the client, as well as a plethora of other stats, such as the fact that you guys have joined a multiplayer server over 2 billion times this year, or that Lunar Client has been launched over 300 million times. So if you want to see the rest of our global stats this year, or see your own and where you rank among everyone else on Lunar Client, just click on the big button that says Wrapped inside of our main menu. Speaking of buttons and things that are big, we've just released our biggest change to our in-game menus since the release of Lunar Client, introducing our brand new UI system. This new system is the start of us being able to fully revamp our in-game UI elements. To put it simply, our previous system for in-game menus lacked a lot of the capabilities that we were after when looking to create new menus. With this change, some new ideas for menus that would take days or even weeks to fully implement into the client can now be done at a much higher quality and in a fraction of the time. On top of this, especially for players with higher resolution displays, you'll notice a much cleaner and sleeker design to all of our menus. Since we're creating this new system from essentially the ground up, we're currently in the process of moving all of our older menus to our new system before we start redesigning and creating new ones. But with our initial release of the system, you'll immediately be able to see improvements in certain areas of the main menu. This includes our action buttons near the bottom, our blog carousel, the account switcher and social linking, the theme selector, as well as the friends list and DM menus. On top of these, we've also moved all of our notifications over to using this new system, so you'll already start seeing some improvements in game. With this new redesign to our menus, we're also going to be adding some benefits for players who link their Minecraft and Discord accounts through the main menu. By heading in game and clicking the link Discord button near the top left of your screen, you'll now be able to claim 3 completely free cosmetics. And while we're on the topic of cosmetics, we might as well show off 2 new collections for this month, these being our winter and our Christmas collections. Combined, these collections feature 11 new cloaks, 12 adorable shoulder pets, 2 new auras, 7 cozy suits, 5 fitted bodywear, and 3 beautiful wings. This includes our first ever scalable cosmetic being our winter wings. So no matter how small or massive you like your wings to be, you're able to choose whatever size is right for you. Anyways, that about wraps up everything that we have to show off over the past month on Lunar Client. Thank you all truly for an amazing year, because without our players, there's no way that we'd be able to release monthly updates and keep making Minecraft that much more enjoyable to play. Thanks for using Lunar Client, and we'll see you all next year.